Dear children, here we have from the Mulla's lesson, put the sentences in the correct order. So here few sentences are given to us and we need to arrange the sentences in the correct order. So let's read the sentences one by one. The first one is, there was a very funny man at Akbar's court. B is, his mother chased him. C, the mullah came home and went to talk to his son. D, the mullah had a son who was 6 years old. E, this man's name was Mullado Piazza. F, the boy hid under his bed. And G, he joined his son under the bed. H, one day the son behaved very badly. Children, these sentences are not given in a correct order. They are been jumbled up and given. You need to arrange the sentences in the correct order by writing the numbers in the given boxes. As you see here, the boxes are given. So you need to write the correct number and arrange the sentences in the correct order. So when you read the sentence, so it's like a story as we read in the lesson. So when you read the sentence, you can understand which part of the sentence comes first or second or third. So let's see and let's number them. The first sentence will be, there was a very funny man at Akbar's court. So you need to write number 1 in the first box. Then next, this man's name was Mullado Piazza. So that man's name will be Mullado Piazza. This will be number 2. Next, the mullah had a son who was 6 years old. So this mullah had a son who was 6 years old. So this you need to write number 3. Then coming to the sentence of H, one day the son behaved very badly. So that son will behave very badly one day, that you need to mention as number 4. That will be our 4th sentence. So what his mother does? That his mother will chase him. His mother chased him. So this you need to number 5. Then when his mother chased him, what did the boy do? The boy hid under his bed. So you need to write this as number 6. So now here 2 sentences are remaining behind. So after this, the boy hid under the bed, what happens? The mullah came home or he joined his son under the bed. The mullah came home and went to talk to his son. So this you need to write number 7. And last sentence will be, when the mullah goes to talk to his son, he joined his son under the bed. This you need to write number 8. So finally we have arranged all the 8 sentences in the correct order. So let's read the sentences properly one by one. So hope so you have understood. So let's read the sentences one by one. The first one will be, there was a very funny man at Akbar's court. Then number 2, this man's name was Mullado Piazza. Then the mullah had a son who was 6 years old. One day the son behaved very badly. His mother chased him. The boy hid under the bed. The mullah came home and went to talk to his son. And the last one will be G. He joined his son under the bed. Here we have the next main, the D main. We should make sentences of our own. So you can find in page number 45, use the phrases in sentences of your own. So these are some of the phrases given. Such a great king called for with his clever words, something naughty. So these phrases you should make use and frame your own sentence. So here I have written for you few sentences on the board. The first one is such a great king. Ashoka was such a great king that he is remembered even today. So you can see I made use of such a great king in the sentence. Ashoka was such a great king that he is remembered even today. Next one, called for. Akbar called for Birbal to solve a case. Once again, Akbar called for Birbal to solve a case. So next one, number 3, with his clever words. The sentence is, the child amazed his mother with his clever words. So you can see I made use of the phrase here, and the sentence is, the child amazed his mother with his clever words. Once again, the child amazed his mother with his clever words. Coming to number 4, something naughty. The baby had done something naughty. So the sentence is, the baby had done something naughty. So the homework for today is that the C main and D main you should write in your notebook one time. And remember, you should learn and write the homework in your notebook very neatly one time. Thank you.